India. Our constitution gives us fundamental rights and duties and teaches us values like equality, justice, liberty. On this occasion, we remember the great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and many freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our nation. On 26 January 1950, India adopted its constitution and became a republic. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Constitution, gave us a strong framework based on equality, freedom and social justice. Power of the nation lies in the hands of its people. Our Constitution is the longest written Constitution in the world and guarantees justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to all citizens. As we celebrate Republic Day in 2026, India continues to grow as a global leader in areas such as technology, innovation, infrastructure, digital transformation. But beyond economic and technological growth, the real progress of a nation depends on the values of its people. India stands as one of the fastest growing nations in the world. From Digital India and Make in India to Chandrayaan and Gaganyaan, our country is reaching new heights. But still we are facing some major challenges like environmental issues like air pollution, climate change, deforestation are growing problems affecting public health and sustainability. Youth can practice simple habits such as reducing plastic use, saving water and electricity, participating in tree plantation drives and protecting green spaces helps us in improving air quality and maintaining ecological imbalance. You are not just the future of the planet, the present force that can save it. Another major challenge facing by our country is corruption. Bureaucratic delays and lack of transparency affect effective governance and trust. As you are the future of society, you must practice honesty in your personal and professional lives. Small acts of integrity like if you don't steal anything from your co-students, create a strong ethical foundation. That is the way of showing your honesty towards your country. By setting examples through ethical behavior, you can influence peers and future generations. Another serious challenges faced India is terrorism as it threatens national security, public safety and social harmony. Some regions have forced internal extremist movements that use violence to achieve political or ideological goals, affecting development and public life. The biggest victims of terrorism are always ordinary people, men and women, children. It does not bring any solution. India, like many countries, has faced terrorism in different forms. But despite these challenges, our nation has always stood strong and united. Recent terrorist attack in Pahalgam was strongly condemned by all religions in our country and it is condemned by all the countries in the world. We stand united against the terrorism. We chose country first over religion. That is the greatness of our democracy and our country. India has a well-trained and committed armed forces and intelligence agencies working continuously to combat terrorism. Our security forces work day and night to protect us and we must respect and support them. As students and as elders, we may not fight terrorism with weapons, but we can fight with values. By promoting peace and harmony, by respecting all religions and cultures, by rejecting violence and hatred. Education is the strongest weapon against terrorism. An educated mind chooses dialogue over violence and unity over division. Dear teachers, in our professional lives, we contribute to nation building through integrity, discipline, teamwork and responsibility. Every task we perform with honesty and dedication adds value not only to our organization but also to the country. However, the real strength of India lies not only in the development but in its people. As responsible citizens, we must follow the law, respect diversity, protect the environment, and work for national unity. Let us dream big, work hard, and serve our nation with dedication and integrity. Jai Hind.